COMPUTEX 2026, we're at the booth of Pegatron, where innovation in high-performance AI computing, smart mobility, and next-generation technology is on full display. Today, we're joined by the leaders from Pegatron to talk about the latest products and solutions. With the collaboration with NVIDIA's Vera Rubin, Alex is going to introduce us this very powerful super AI computer.
I'm Alex. Let me introduce you Pegatron Vera Rubin NVL72 racks. So on the top shelf, these are the TOR switch. Right here, these are the power shelf. We have a total of 4 power shelves. Each one of these is 110 kilowatts. Top 2 and then the bottom 2 right there. And total shelf right here is a 27 shelf, but each one of these are different. The difference between the top 10, these are the compute tray. Bottom 8 is a compute tray. Center of this, 9 of this, these are the NV switch tray. So let's move over here. We did exposure of how the 1U compute tray looks like. On the top is an inner manifold. That's connecting everything together with the 2 nodes, okay? This is a 1U2. Right here, this is the CPU in the front, 2 GPU in the back. So the CPU we call Vera, and the GPU is a Rubin. So added up together is a Vera Rubin. And down here is different. So this one is for one node, this is for another node. The center one is the Bluefield, is going to the data port. So let's go back on here for the compute side. This is the CX9. Each port is a 800 gig per port, okay? So you do a Spectrum X, then you put it into 2 transceiver, to the 1 transceiver that's become a 1.6 terabyte. So you could add it up to. And at the end, we put everything together. This one going to here, the center one going to the center, this on the right going on the right. And we plug it in here, it's like back to back, pin to pin. So there's no more cables and no more fans. You don't see any fans over here at all. So this is a big change from NVIDIA side. Let me introduce you with the HGX Rubin design. This year we did a modular design. You could interchange with Vera x86 platform with the Intel or AMD basis. And also the different design between the last year is all liquid cooling. There's no cable, no fans at all. And this is a 2U instead of a 4U from the previous versions. The 1U right here on the top is going into here, and you see that side, that's the GPU slot. The GPU going to the bottom slot, so it's become a 2U HGX Rubin. Thank you.
In AI factories, Pegaverse is making its deployment from automation to autonomy right now.
This is Reina, marketing from Pegatron AI team Pegaverse. This year, we are highlighting digital twin and agentic AI SL2 main things. We are combining this technology with our domain know-how in manufacturing to completely transform how factories are planned, how workers are trained, and how production is optimized. As you can see at our booth, our Pegaverse includes the 3D asset generator, the real-time verification powered by AOI and VLN, the VSOP guidance which won the 2026 Best Choice Awards, and the self-evolving robotic system. And all of this can be assisted by AI agents to get the job done.
Joining me now is the director from the Industrial Design Center, Wilhelm Jiang. Hello, Wilhelm.
Hello, Victoria. Thank you for having me.
Okay, Wilhelm, we would like to know more about Simba. What's the concept of Simba and what's the feature of Simba II?
Yes, this year, Simba II focuses more on the industrial usage. It's one of the most advanced modular quadruped robots on the market, built entirely by our team at Pegatron. It is one very important testimony of the real-world usage. Actually, by leveraging NVIDIA Isaac into-real workflow, it's a true embodiment of physical AI, allowing it to act, adapt, and perform in the real world. So it really reflects Pegatron's end-to-end capabilities in robotic design, system integration, and advanced AI applications. So at its core, we combine agile mobility, advanced sensor fusions, and adaptive AI applications into this sleek and waterproof design. You may want to ask, what does it mean to our users? Actually, it can be used under different conditions, such as industrial inspections, intelligent automation, factory monitoring, safety and patrol, and rescue and search. Also, under some disaster conditions, it can be performed as well. So the list just keeps adding. I would like to take you under the hood to show you why it is so powerful. At its core, we combined the very high performance NVIDIA chipset as the brain, and we also use the very precise Maxence motors as the muscles, and Pegatron system engineering as the very strong and durable body. By integrating these three very important elements, we were able to deal with very tough conditions. And it can also integrate various payload and sensors to expand its capability, which makes it very ideal for different kinds of tough and demanding situations. Ultimately, Simba II reflects Pegatron's top-tier capabilities to deliver OEM, ODM, and ENS services for our customers. It's the ultimate scene-to-real physical AI platform for your robotic vision.
Next to me is the Executive Director from the Future Concept Division, Ted Dai. Hello, Ted.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Ted, we would like to know more because this platform, Simba, actually we want to know how it adapts to the industries in Taiwan, especially we are doing the smart manufacturing right now.
This is our second generation called Simba II platform. So we would like to integrate multiple Taiwan vendors supply chain into this platform. From robotics industry view, Taiwan is a little behind China currently. So we try to build our robot platform for all the possible supply chain in Taiwan to cooperate with us and to explore the global business.
Okay. With the deployment of AI, connectivity is being quite crucial these years. So Alan is going to tell us more about M2U300. Hello, Alan.
Hello, Victoria. Hello, everyone. This is Alan Xu from Pegatron. Today, I'm honored to introduce our new model, M2U300. It's an ODU for outdoor unit. Actually, in the past, if you need internet from your house, you need to make a call to the telecom carriers and take maybe 1 or 1.5 hours to have a very professional guy like engineers to finish the setup. But right now, M2U300, you spend only a couple minutes, just a few steps to finish the whole setup process. And also, it's only 1.5 kilograms, very, very light, and only 3 bottles of water, and very tiny. So you can put that into your balcony or out of window or on the roof. Once you point it to the 5G station, and then you have very good signal, you could have the throughput. I'm not talking about 200 megabit per second or 500 megabit per second. I'm talking about the multi-gigabit per second from the air. And also it's IP66, so you don't need to worry about any damage from dust or water, even under the storm or the typhoon. You don't need to worry about its quality. So if you do have any question, please send an email to us or make a call, and we are happy to answer any question you may have. Thank you.
Thank you. So Trisno is here to tell us how PR2815 to enhance outdoor connectivity. So Trisno.
PR2850 is Pegatron's flagship micro radio unit. It's an 88R 40-watt 5G NL solutions built for carrier-grade Open RAN deployments. What we really focus on is performance where it matters most. Strong coverage, high capacity, advanced MIMO, and solid energy efficiency. It is designed to support true macrocell replacement in real network conditions, not just in theory. At the same time, it has an excellent power-to-weight ratio, which makes the deployment easier. Faster installations, lower tower load, and reduced total cost. Overall, PR2850 gives operator a practical way to scale open, intelligent, and sustainable 5G networks with confidence.
With industrial designer Yuming, we're going to explore more about ARMO, the emotion sensor. Yuming.
Hi, I'm Yumi, and games give us intense emotion all the time, but usually we just interact by smashing a few plastic buttons. Until now, ARMO changes that by actually reading your feelings. See that beautiful pattern? We seamlessly integrated the GSR sensor into it to track your sweat level, along with the PPG sensor on the joystick to track your heart rate, and then a skin temperature sensor on the back for your fingertip temperature. So with this sensor, we train our AI to analyze your motion into different quadrants. Imagine when you're playing a horror game, the game waits for the exact moment to when your guard drops and triggers the perfect jump scare. Or if you get frustrated, an NPC might come over to comfort you. So Victoria, be careful holding that. If it senses you're getting too relaxed, it might jump scare you in front of the camera.
Okay, thank you. Very interesting. Yuhao, the industrial designer, is showing us Beauty Device Pro, Prio.
Yeah, the idea for Prio Petite DIGITIMES started with a simple observation. Like most beauty devices are still bulky and not designed for life on the move. But during travel or business trips, people still want to maintain their skincare routine like wherever. So that became our foundation of our concept. The device was designed to be pocket-sized and lightweight, making it easy to carry for both daily users and makeup professionals on the go. And the rotating slide cover ensures the device stays clean while enhancing a secure and comfortable grip. And our built-in serum replaceable capsules go with short trips perfectly, thereby keeping your skincare kit light. And combined with EMS and ion technology, the device delivers quick and convenient skincare anytime. And the contour fish-shaped design was tailored to fit the curves of the face and eyes, so making the device feel more intuitive and effortless to use. So our Prio Petite DIGITIMES keeps you like charming anytime.
Here with me is Chloe Lu, project manager from Pega Design. Hello, Chloe.
Hello.
Chloe, we would like to know how do you build this beautiful booth in COMPUTEX 2026?
Okay, so first of all, welcome to Pegatron. At the Pegatron 2026 COMPUTEX booth, sustainability is really at the core of everything, which is visible here. So we were guided by ESG principle and the idea of the circular economies. And our goal was to recover and reuse more than 80% of the material and used in the booths. So the main structures are built for locally sourced Taiwanese cedar woods and customize the aluminum system. So what's important is that they are all modular. So they are designed to be used again. After the show, everything will come back to our facility in Taoyuan. And some of the aluminum will become corporate gifts, and rest of them will be donated to support education partners in universities. And even the barriers and ventilation panels get a second life. So they will be recycled into the tote bag and lifestyle products. So the truss structures and LED system are all rental based. So actually nothing goes to waste after the inspection unit. For Pegatron, this booth is really a working sample of what ESG looks like in practice. Not just a value we talk about, but something you can actually see and touch here on the floor, and a reflection of our long-term commitment to responsible innovation and sustainable design language.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining Pegatron's booth tour. COMPUTEX 2026 continues to show us the future of technology, and Pegatron is right at the forefront. Thanks for watching. This is Victoria. See you next time.